Hello traders, now that we have the chart colors ready, let's select our favorite tools and make our favorite drawing tools toolbar. I will move charts now to an empty and clean space to show all the tools we use directly on the TradingView app. Let's start with the weekly line we already have visible in the charts. First, select the lines and from the Lines menu the horizontal line. Click the star icon next to the horizontal line. Now you have added your first tool to your favorite tools. Now select the horizontal line and left-click on the chart to make it visible. We use this tool mainly on the weekly charts, but to make sure we remember it's a weekly line, we will create a weekly template for the tool. When we navigate in the lower time frames like the 1 minute or 5 minute, it's important to see when the price is near our weekly level. Not to make any trading decisions, but to be aware that we are on a price level or a price zone that has been important in the past. Next, double left-click the line that's visible on the charts, then select Style. Click the color icon, select the black color, and from the thickness settings, select the second option. Make sure the line is selected next to the color icon. We use dashed and dotted lines with different tools. Then select the text. Click the text, select the black color, and font size 10. Now type the letter W to the text box. Then from the text alignment, we select middle, and from the next drop-down box we select right. From the coordinates menu, we can fine-tune the exact price we want the line to be set. The visibility menu lets us choose the time frames we want the line to be visible. For the weekly line, we want it to be visible on all of the time frames. Later, when we analyze lower time frames like 1 minute, we want the 1 minute drawings only to be visible in a 1 minute time frame and below. That keeps our charts clean, but we can still analyze the lower time frames with all the tools available. Now the last step is to select the template drop-down menu and save the template. I will name the line in a way that I remember. It is the weekly line, and I'm using it with the black and white chart template. Next, we delete the lines we created and move the chart view back to the current price levels. I will now delete the earlier lines to create new weekly lines with you. Then lock the lines I create so that I don't accidentally click and move them in the future, and then add alerts directly to the weekly lines. To have enough alerts available, you need the paid version of TradingView, but you can still follow these educational videos with the free version of TradingView. Now, this is the data I have available for the E-mini Russell 2000 Index futures. I'm paying for the data, so the price is not delayed. If you are not paying, your charts are about 10-20 minutes delayed. Live data for the futures costs under $10 per month. If you trade with prop firm, you should already have this data available or included with your login to the broker account. Anyway, it's important to have the live data available. There are a lot of tools and indicators that are completely useless for your trading without the live data. Now, back to the charts. Let's quickly find 4 or more weekly levels. Just hover over the price, use the crosshair line for your advantage, and see where the price has multiple turns on the same price level. Once you have identified the level you choose, select the horizontal line and left-click on the chart. Select the week magnet from the left toolbar. With the week magnet, you make sure your line touches the candle, and like a magnet, it moves your mouse to the right place. First, we quickly select the highs and lows and then find levels. Next, we can right-click the line and select the template we just created. And now we have our weekly line visible on the chart. Next, we lock this line so that it will stay on that price level. The last step is to set alerts so that we get notifications when the price hits our weekly level. Look at this setup till the end to make sure that you make all the settings correctly. In the recording, I didn't make the alerts correctly at first, but I'm editing all of them before moving on. To be sure how to set up weekly chart alerts, select Alert once per bar and make the expiration open-ended alert. Remember to name the alert in a way that you remember immediately what this alert means when you get the notification. Now let's quickly look at the lower time frames and how the weekly lines will appear there. Alright, in the next video we go over the daily time frame and tools we use there, and let's keep moving forward step by step. Thank you for watching.